Hi there. I wanted to give you an example of what your team could look like when it's fully up and running. These are real examples that come from our own use of Stack Overflow for Teams. First, I want to point out the mix of content that's in here. Everything from connecting over gaming and looking for recommendations to processes to what certain settings mean to help desk content. It's a mix of content that normally would be siloed into individual folders or individual wikis. Instead, it all comes together here in one place and everybody can find it. It's transparent to everybody within the company. The second thing I want to draw your attention to is how the content is organized by tags. So it's very easy to see the information that is contained within the question and how it relates. So here it's a sales process, it's about internal tools, Salesforce, and it's got these tags here. Here, it's very easy to see that this is a data team request. So content is very clearly organized and it's easy to skim through the information and see if this is what is relevant to what you're looking for. Next, I want to show you about the collaboration that can happen within each of these questions. So this is a question about tags that are trending on Stack Overflow. And what's fascinating about this is this was asked by somebody within our community team. These comments here are from 3 different groups within Stack Overflow. 3 different people, 3 different groups saw this question, said, yes, this would actually be incredibly valuable for me and my role as well. If this was done through email or through a forum or through a Slack channel, these folks here wouldn't know about it. They wouldn't be able to say, hey, this information is useful for me. And they certainly wouldn't be able to take advantage of the report and the information that was shared as well. The other thing I want to show you is how creative you can get with using these and providing the information. So in this case, one of the questions was on a more personal level, looking to get some gaming decor ideas. So again, creating those personal connections throughout the company on a common topic and a common interest. And here you can see that somebody uploaded images. They had the maker project, what it looks like, and then the parts list here. And what's great about this is if this individual put it into a document or if they put it into Slack, it would be lost. There wouldn't be an easy discoverability. Here, anybody that comes in, whether or not they're interested in doing a making project like this or seeing the gaming decor ideas, it still fosters that connection. It helps people get to know others in the community or in the company because of this sharing, because of this ability to be creative and share those passions. The final thing I'd like to point out today is how you know that this is working for you. So the whole goal of Teams is to make knowledge accessible and to collaborate and make sure that the entire company is coming together in order to build and do great things. You know when a resource is valuable to your company when you look at the views. So here, 210 views of the question that is outlining everything that somebody needs to get up to speed on Stack Overflow for Teams. 210 times people were able to find the information they needed from this question. And what's interesting about this question here is it consolidates information. So instead of looking in different folders and trying to dig out where exactly they need to find this information, it consolidates everything into one topic, one question and answer, and links out to where they need to go. So they can find the information they need very quickly, and then this question and answer becomes a resource for them. I hope this overview was helpful.